Namaste everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, let's begin with our class. Sit in any comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time home all together. Take a deep inhale. Now, if you want, repeat the mantra after me. Otherwise, you can listen it. Vande Gurunam Charnarvinde Sandarvsita Swatma Sukha Bhavote Nishreya Shejangalika Yamane Sansar Hala Ahalmo Hashante Avahu Purushakaram Sankachakra Siddharanam Sahastra Sir Shamshvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Oh. Ath Yoga Anushasinam. Joining both palms together, rub your both palms. Applying your eyes on your face, on your neck, on your hands, and on your whole body. And gently pull down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti, everyone. Everybody, find yourself into tabletop position on your mat. Keep your palms under your shoulder. Your knees should be open, hip distance apart. This is the tabletop position. You can flex your toes or even tuck your toes. Whichever you find more comfortable, apply it. Now we'll start with cow and cat pose. Inhale, look up, roll your shoulder, open your chest. Make an arch on your spine, tuck your tailbone out. Your tailbone should tuck out. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Push your shoulder blades away from each other and make a hump on your back as big much as you can. Inhale again, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale again up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Now come into the neutral position. Now while inhalation, you have to make a hump and go front. While exhalation, make an arch on your back, look up and come back. So you have to like make a wave through your spine. Okay, inhale, exhale. Okay, now move your spine sidewise, lift up, down. Do not bend your elbows, keep your elbows straight. Change the direction. Okay, now lift your knees off from the mat, tuck your toes, lift your knees off slightly. Now make a rotation while inhalation, lean to the right, front, left, and then come back. Lean to the right, front, and then come back. 3, 4, and 5. Now go to from the left side, go from the left side, then right, come back. Four and five. Drop your knees down. Now from here, stretch your arms front for the puppy pose. Keep your hips, keep your knees under your hip. Your knees and hip should be in one line. Look front and try to touch your thoracic or your chest on the mat. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samastiti. Take 1 feet distance from your mat. So we'll start with Sun Salutation A of Ashtanga. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up overhead. Come for Urdhva. You have to stretch yourself up. Don't do back bending in here. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Now hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold. Lift your tailbone high towards the ceiling. Look at your navel point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up, come for the Urdhva. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale for the forward fold. 3 inhale, half forward fold. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Again hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam inhale, again come for the Ujjasasan. Do exhale, come for the Uttanasan. Trini inhale, come for Ardha-Uttanasan. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees down front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation, BA, come inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up, come for the Utkatasana, chair pose. To exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front for halfway look up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Front leg 90, back feet 5 degrees in. And keep your front knee and ankle in one line. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again back to the chair pose. To exhale, bend fully forward down. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, again, Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. To exhale, bend for the forward fold. Tredi, inhale, halfway look up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale to the downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold. 1, Varunda ji, move forward with your legs slightly. 2, now lift your tailbone high. Yeah, now try to press. Look at your navel point. 3, but you have to elevate your spine. Your spine is having a curve right now. Reduce that curve. 4, by pressing it down. Yeah. And 5. Now Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. 4th round. Ekam, inhale, again, come for the chair pose. To exhale, bend fully forward down. 3rd, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round. Ekam, inhale, back to the chair pose. To exhale, bend fully forward down. 3rd, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for the warrior A, Veerbhadrasana. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for the warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose, and then exhale, Samasthiti. Now open your legs, show hip distance apart, and then do Kati Chakrasana. Okay, now again, feet together, stand into Samasthiti. Okay, now we will do the first posture of Ashtanga primary series. Okay, so Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs, shoulder width apart. Keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up. and squeeze your shoulder blades and pull your both elbows closer to each other. Then do exhale, bend fully forward down. Bend down and grab your both big toes for first two fingers. So this pose is known as Padangushtasana. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. See, keep your spine straight like this. If you cannot lengthen your spine while keeping your knees straight, what you have to do, just bend your knees like this. But try to lift your chest up and keep your spine lengthening. And then do exhale, bend your both elbows and look between your both legs. Try to pull your spine as much as down you can and push your both elbows out, and your shoulder should not touch to your ears. Your shoulder also pushing away from your ears. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ready, inhale, look front. Lengthen your spine again. Now exhale, place your both palm under your feet. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale again, bend your both elbows. Now put your hands under your palms under your feet. This pose is known as Padhastasana. Inhale again, look front. Exhale, bend your elbows. Look between your both legs and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Jump and come back to the Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do Trikonasana, triangle pose. Okay, here come, inhale, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart, both arms by the side. You have to raise your both arms by the side, keep your hip back and rotate your hip joint front, push your hip front so you can be in one line. To exhale, first stretch your arm front. Do not directly go down. First stretch your arm front, or you can engage your side oblique by stretching yourself front as much as you can towards the right side. And then grab your big toe. If you cannot grab your big toe, you can just place your palm on your shin bone. But do not bend your knee. Keep your knee straight and then grab your big toe. Now push your hip in. Your hip will go out while going forward and your chest will fall down. What you have to do, push your chest up and push your hip in. Keep your body in one line and hold. 1, look up towards your left hand. 2, the arm which is up, you have to look there. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Do not directly come up, just look down. 3D, inhale, come up. 3D, inhale, come up. Now change your side, left toe out, right toe in. Left toe will go out and right toe will come in. No, you have to not come front. Okay, from here, you have to just turn yourself like this. Do not come back front, just turn yourself, left toe out and right toe in. Now Chatwari, exhale, bend to the left side now. Grab your left big toe from your first two fingers. Again, push your hip in, chest out, look towards your right palm and hold. 1, 2, 3, your feet should be open. 4, left feet towards the left side. Push your hips in, chest out. And 5. Again, exhale, look down. First look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Now from here, from Utthita Trikonasana to we will do Parivartit Trikonasana. Now we'll do revolve triangle pose. So again, right toe out and left toe in. No, you have to not come front and then change. Kim ji, we will not change again and again.
Yeah, I understand that, but I'm only doing that because I can't see you.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, then,
I
okay.
understand
Okay.
it, but I just find that I can see my laptop. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah. Okay, again, right, turn your right toe out and left toe in. Okay. Now square your hips. You have to turn your hips towards the right side front. Now lift your left arm up and place your right arm on your waist. Right arm on your waist, left arm up. Now exhale, place your left palm out of your right feet and right arm over your head. Revolve. This is called revolve triangle pose. Again, push your hip in and chest out. If you cannot place a palm out on the like floor, you can place the palm on your shin bone. Hold one, look up towards your upper hand. 2, very nice. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, look down. Inhale, come up, maintain your balance. Now again, change your side, left toe out, right toe in. Okay, Miraya ji, just increase the distance between your legs. Increase. It should be 4 or 4.5 feet apart. Yeah. Now again, square your hips towards the left side. Place your left palm on your left side of the waist, right arm up. Now exhale, place your right palm out of your left feet. If you cannot place, you can just put it on your shin bone. Again, keep your knees straight. Inhale, look up towards your left arm, which is over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Now from here, we will do Parshvakonasana. Again, send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Send your right leg back. Always remember you have to send your right leg back. Okay. Now right toe out and left toe in. Again, you have to right toe out and left toe in. Okay, both arms by the side. Now bend your right leg at the knee into 90 degree. Okay, keep your knee and ankle in one line. Do not keep your knee back from your ankle and do not move your knee away from your ankle. Just keep your knee and ankle in one line. Okay, and exhale, drop your elbow on your knee. If you can go more further than this, you can drop your palm out of your right leg. Inhale, swing your hand from down and take your hand up and open your chest. Look towards your left hand and hold there for 5 counts. 1, Utthit Parshvakonasana, side angle pose. 2, 3, rotate your shoulders outside. Okay. 4 and 5. Inhale, again come back up, Training. Now change your side, left toe out and right toe in. Left toe out, right toe in. Now Chatwari, exhale, place your right palm out of your left palm out of your left feet. Inhale, right arm over your head. See, stretch your arm like this. You have to see the palm, internal palm of yours while looking. 1, 2, मिराया जी आगे खींचिए हाथ को, आगे, ऊपर नहीं, आगे खींचना है ऐसे. 4, palm को देखना है तो palm downward, palm facing should be towards the floor. And 5, inhale, again come back up, pancha. Now we'll do revolved side angle pose. Again, right toe out and left toe in. Now square your hips. Now bend your leg at the knee and drop your left knee on the floor. Place your left elbow out of your right knee. If you can open your hands You have to drop your left palm on the floor like this, and then take your right arm over your head, and then lift your back leg up. But if you cannot do like this, you can just make namaste. You can make namaste like this and twist. Okay, very nice. Yeah, correct. Manaji.
Sir, can you please do once again?
Okay. I'm showing once again. Okay. So what you have to do, your right knee should be bent in 90 degree. You can drop your knee in starting, okay, for adjusting yourself. So your left elbow should be out of your right knee. You have to place your palm and take your right arm over your head. But if you cannot do this, you can make namaste like this also. And then lift your back knee and drop your back heel and twist. Yes, correct. But just drop your back heel on the mat. Drop your back heel. Miraya ji, drop your back heel on the mat. Like in Trikonasana we have done. Same. Yes. Now hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Again, 3 inhale, come up. Now change your side, left toe out and right toe in. Now bend your left leg at the knee at 90 degree. And now place your right elbow out of your left knee. If you can drop your right palm on the mat and take your left arm over your head. If you cannot, you can just simply make namaste. But drop your back heel also on the mat. 1. Kimji, take your hand forward over your head. Stretch your arm front, not yeah. Your arm should be touching on your ears and you have to stretch it front. 2, 3, 4. Varundaji, take your hands front over your head. Stretch your arm front. 4, yeah. And 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale again, come back up. Stepping your right foot front again back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs again. Come in front of the mat. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana. Wide leg forward bend. Okay, send your right leg back, both toes front. Turn this side. Okay, Varun, turn this side so you can look how you have to do it. Okay, send your right leg back, 4 feet apart and both toes in. Heel out, toes in. Keep your both palms on your waist, lift your chest up. Squeeze your shoulder blades, scapula, and pull your both elbows closer to each other as much as you can. This is Parasarita Padottanasana. Exhale. To exhale, bend fully forward down and place your both palms between your both legs. 3 inhale, halfway look up. Lengthen your spine again here, halfway look up. Chatwari exhale, bend fully forward down. Try to touch your head on the floor, crown head. And hold there for 5 counts. 1, Nasagra Drishti, you have to look between your nose. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Okay, one more thing. Your main motive is not to touch your head on the floor. Your main motive is to lengthen your spine. So Arindaji, you have to not open your feet more. Close your feet, just 4 feet apart. Okay? You have to not slide your leg more to touch your head. This is wrong. What you have to do, close your leg and then go down between your both legs and then touch your head here. Between your legs. This is correct. If you will open and touch your head, it becomes easy and the alignment will be wrong. Okay, place your palm on your waist. Inhale, come up. Now we'll do the Parasarita Padottanasana B. Stay in this position only. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Do exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Lift your chest up. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, bend fully forward down without removing your palms from your waist. Now try to touch your crown head between your both legs. Lengthen your spine. नहीं ऐसे नहीं करना है मेरा जी. हाथ palm को अपने कमर पे ही रखना है. Palms को कमर पे रखना है. Elbows push करो एक दूसरे के पास. Push your elbows closer. पीछे की तरफ, आगे की तरफ नहीं, पीछे की तरफ. Yes. 2 and go down as much as you can. 3, 4 and 5. Chatwari, inhale, come up. Stay there. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana C. Ekam inhale, again both arms by the side. Do exhale, interlace your finger behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up. Inhale, lift your chest up. 3D exhale, bend fully forward down. Again, try to touch your head and your fingers on the floor if you can. If you cannot, just stay there. 1, maintain the balance. मेरा जी इंटरलॉक करना है पीछे हाथों को ऐसे. अब आगे खींचना है हाथ. हेड नीचे लेके जाना है, हाथों को आगे खींचना है. यस. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chatwari, inhale, again come up. Exhale, drop your hands on your waist. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana D. Inhale, lift your chest up. Ekam inhale. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Miraya ji, toes in, heel out. Toes को अंदर करिए, heel out. पैरों को distance बढ़ाइए 4 feet apart. Now grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, bend your elbow and look between your both legs. And try to go down as much as you can and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, place your palm on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Varundar ji, direct nahi aana hai. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do pyramid pose, Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana. Ekam inhale, send your right leg back 3.5 feet apart. Reduce the distance now. Right toe out, left toe in. Square your hips towards the right side. And now make Namaste behind your back. Reverse Namaste. Make Namaste behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up. Do exhale, bend fully forward down towards your right leg. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knee, and chin on your shin. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3D inhale, come up. Without removing your hands, turn your left toe out and right toe in. Chatwari, exhale, bend towards your left leg now. Square your hips towards the left side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pancha, inhale, come up. Exhaling, stepping your right foot front and removing your hands back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands now. Now sit down. Now we'll continue tomorrow from here. Sorry. Yes, we will continue tomorrow where we have left now in pyramid pose. After pyramid pose, we will continue the series tomorrow. But for now, we will do some counter poses. So again, our body can be adjusted back to the normal position. Now lay down on your back for the counter poses. Bend your both knees and drop your feet down. Keep your both knees bent. Grab your both ankle and lift your hips up for the bridge pose. Exhale, drop your hip down. Inhale, again, lift your hips up. Exhale, drop your hips down. Inhale, again, lift your hips up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, and hold there for 5 counts. Lift your hips up, push your hip, contract your scapula here. Adjust your hands under your scapula, 1. But keep lifting your hip up, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Straight on. Keep your both palms beside of your both ears. We will do the wheel pose now, Chakrasana. Inhale, lift yourself up for the wheel pose. As for the counter pose, whatever forward bend we have done, so our back can be adjusted. Now push your thoracic out as much as you can and push your head in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, release yourself, drop your back on the mat again. Slowly. Now inhale again for the second round. Lift yourself up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, slowly down. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Straight your legs. Relax into Shavasana. Palm facing towards the ceiling. Your hand should be away from your body a little bit. Your spine should be flat on the mat. Do not make an arch on your back. Now relax your whole body. Relax your breath. Relax your mind. And relax your muscles. Now turn yourself to the right side and bend your both knees and make pillow of your right hand. Now press with your left palm and sit in any comfortable position you prefer for yourself. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om, followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep and long breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply on your face, on your eyes, on your whole body. And gently pull down your head towards God. While blinking, open your eye. Namaste to everyone. If you want to ask any question, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Sir, I just have one question.
Yes.
the first asana which we did, in which our hands were under our legs. So
That
for
second, that is second.
uh,
First
the,
is, yeah,
not the toe one, the hands one, right?
yeah,
So,
that is second, Pooja.
If the hamstrings are tight, then how can we, you know, just progress ahead? Because for me, I was like keeping my knees bent during the entire time.
Yeah, you have to keep your knees bent in the starting, and
Okay.
then what you have to do, you have to bend your knees, keep your palms like this, and lengthen your spine.
Okay.
Now then slowly try to lift your hip up. Okay, push your hip up.
Okay.
And bend your elbows.
Right.
Then slowly and gradually, after regular practice, you can keep your knees straight like this.
Okay.
Okay. So it's about regular practice.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else have any question?
Sir, just a small request that at times 2-3 asanas you were instructing us and we were following it. So actually, honestly, I'm totally new. So if it's possible,
Okay,
that
okay.
once if we can show, it will be easy for me. Like Chakrasana also, I just saw a video, so I just did the way they did in
Oh,
the
okay, okay, okay.
So
Okay,
if
then
it's
I
possible,
will
just
show you.
once, then I'll understand.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks.
I have a question. Was it right that you said that in Warrior 1, the foot and the ankle are in one line?
Yeah.
I thought that I learned it was Warrior 1 like hip spare and Warrior 2 in line, and now I'm confused.
No.
Is it
Okay.
wrong?
Listen. No. In Warrior A, we have to keep our both legs, your right heel and your left heel should be in one line. What happens when you square your hips in Warrior A? If you have stiffness in like your hip joints, or you cannot rotate your thighs properly towards the right side, what you can do, you can adjust your leg. You can adjust your leg from one line to you can bring your heel out. But the proper position is in one line. But due to the stiffness in your hip joints or in your thighs, you can adjust yourself in the starting here, and then you can make Warrior A.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Both are correct, but real one is you have to keep in one line, both heels. Any other questions? Okay, then. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. See you tomorrow. Namaste. Take care,
Thank you.
everybody.